Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will go through the essential steps to maintain your Lenovo Legion 7 Pro. Proper maintenance can significantly extend the life of your laptop and ensure optimal performance. Let's dive in. Tools you'll need: 1. Phillips number 00 screwdriver. 2. Plastic spudger or opening tool. 3. Compressed air canister. 4. Soft microfiber cloth. 5. Thermal paste, if necessary. 6. Anti-static wrist strap, for safety. Step 1. Preparation. First, ensure you have a clean workspace. Power down your laptop and unplug it from any power source. If possible, remove the battery to prevent any electrical issues. This will make the entire maintenance process safer. Step 2. Opening the laptop. Using the Phillips number 00 screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of your Lenovo Legion 7 Pro. Keep track of these screws as they can be easily lost. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips. Step 3. Cleaning the internals. With the back cover removed, you'll have access to the internal components. First, use the compressed air canister to blow out any dust buildup from the fans and vents. This will help prevent overheating. Make sure to hold the canister upright to avoid liquid propellant from escaping. For a more thorough clean, use the soft microfiber cloth to wipe down surfaces gently. If you notice any thermal paste on the CPU or GPU, consider replacing it with new thermal paste for better heat conduction. If you're unsure about doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 4. Inspecting components. While you have access to the internals, take a moment to inspect the RAM and storage drive. Ensure they are seated properly. If you find any loose connections, push them back in place. If you don't have the tools or confidence to do this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just hassle-free service. Step 5. Reassemble the laptop. Once you've completed the cleaning and inspection, carefully place the back cover back on. Reinsert the screws in their original positions. Make sure everything is snug but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the case. Step 6. Power up. Connect your Lenovo Legion 7 Pro back to the power source and power it up. Check to ensure that everything is functioning as expected. Listen for any abnormal sounds from the fans or components. If you encounter any issues, we recommend getting a quote before repair to avoid unexpected costs. Final thoughts. Regular maintenance will keep your Lenovo Legion 7 Pro running smoothly. By following these steps, you can ensure that your laptop remains in top condition. If you ever feel overwhelmed, remember our services are here to help you with professional diagnoses and easy pickup and delivery options. Enjoy your gaming and productivity with a well-maintained machine. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.